Yeah. He's a baby. Yeah. I'm videotaping him. There's a little teddy bear right here. So cute. You're a big baby. Oh, he's pooping. Now I gotta pick that up. Beep, 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 beep. Go back to your teddy bear. Go back to your teddy bear. Aww. As soon as he gets his teddy bear, he calms down. No. You go sleepy. His little head fell over. It's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Hey you, wake up.
It says campus snow 85%, no fall.
Excuse me. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. He's gonna have blue here, pink here, green there, lime green here, red here, dark green there. So cute. Look at that little face with formula all over it. Oh, so cute. Are you holding your teddy bear? Is that your teddy bear? You think he's cute, Carla? Hi, Cuckawucket. You see the baby?
She watching?
Huh?
She watching?
Yeah, she's staring at the cockatiel. She's staring at the Princess of Whale Parrot. And she's just staring at it. Hi, Prissy.
She's like, hurry up, go down to the formula.
Now I gotta make some more formula with the baby. Oopsie. Look at that. Is it tickle? You complain too much. I'm gonna get rid of all that stuff. So cute. Hey guys, it's me, Charlie. Today's date is March 12th, 2012. And this is the little Princess of Wales baby parrot. I just got through feeding him formula. And that's Duchess cleaning him up. You like it, Dutchie? Ooh. Huh, Duchess? You like the baby? Oh, look, he's flapping his wings. I'm glad we got to see this part. Sometimes after they're done eating and then when they're a little bit older, they start to flap their wings to exercise their wings because they're going to get to the stage where they're going to want to fly off. This happens right around 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks old. And eventually they're going to be strong enough to flap their wings so hard that there's going to be a lot of wind. And you'll be able to hear the difference in the feathers because the feathers will actually become a little bit more stronger, a little bit longer, and they'll start to make that sound, kind of like when a parakeet flies or a dove flies. You can hear that, and that's the sound of the feathers. So this little guy here, he just got through eating his formula, and he's very, very sweet, very happy, very tame, and he's actually on 3 feedings a day, so he's on like for morning, noon, and night. But ooh, you got scared. That's the first time I heard him do that. Coochie, coochie, coochie. He's actually eating like every 7 hours, but I try to feed him more than that amount of time, you know, like more than 3 times a day, because I want to get that bond with him. Got a little formula stuck on here. Look at that. Well, formula stuck on your cheeks. If I would have had another one, that other one would have groomed its little cheeks. Coochie, 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 coochie. Look at, oh, looky, little baby. Let me see under there. Ooh, it's so pretty. Let me see, let me see. It's yellow. And you got little red. And you got a little bluish colored rump and little red feathers on your tail and a yellow booty, lime on your wings here, dark sage green up here, more blue on your back, then he'll have blue up here, and he'll have peach, or pink, I mean not peach, pink right here. All of this will be pink, and he won't be so noisy when he's older. Such a quiet baby. You're such a quiet baby. You want to play with your monkey? This is actually Duchess's monkey that she tore out all the stuffing. Oh, he's so cute. So this is just a little update on my Princess of Wales baby parrot. And his tail's still growing. I like to kind of grab it, get used to grabbing it, because this is one of the features on a bird that has a long tail that people like to play with. So you want to get them used to playing with their feet so you can clip their toenails. You want to be able to lift up their wings like this, because you're going to have to clip their wings if you decide clipping their wings. You want to play with their tail just because this is a natural thing to do. And plus they get about 15 inches long, the males, and I think the females are around 13 inches long, if not about a foot. And of course you want to groom their little necks. Ooh, you're so cute. Why are you complaining so much? Are you cold? Woo, woo, woo. Duchess, Olivia, Kyla. Come on, up here. Up, up. Here comes Duchess. Up, up. Duchess. Say hi to the baby. Olivia, say hi. They're hungry, they don't care. But the baby parrot loves the doggies. Okay, so if you guys have any questions or comments about Princess of Wales parrots, they do come in green, they come in blue, and they come in yellow. The blue Princess of Wales, they have a light blue here where the lime green's at, and a dark blue here. They have gray up here, and they have, I believe, the pink color on their bib area. The Latinos are actually completely yellow. So everything here and here is completely solid yellow. But on their legs they have like a pinkish dark red. And right around their bib they have that pinkish dark red. Actually, you guys have seen my Latino. Here in Seattle, Washington, the Latino Princess of Wales parrots are very expensive. I actually had to do a trade for $1,200 to get my female, not knowing that that's what she was worth. I thought I was going to get 2 Latino Princess of Wales parrots for $1,200, but I found that after I traded my Sun Conyers that no, it was 1. And because I had to drive 2 hours to get to this place, I decided just to go ahead and accept it. Plus, it was my fault for not getting the details. Now, the green Princess of Wales parrots, in retail, they're about $5.49. But through breeders or people who just do it for a hobby like I do, they're about $250, $200, or even $300. The blues are around $500. And in the pet stores, they're about $850. And the Latinos in the pet stores are around either continuously the $1,200 or I guess $1,500. But I think that's a very stupid price, considering that it's not a big, huge parrot. These are medium-sized birds, and kind of like Sun Conyers or Nande Conyers. They're about the size of a Nande Conyer. And I don't see paying that price, so these little guys, I normally sell them for $250 because I put a lot of work into hand feeding them, and I sell them much younger than this. But if I keep them longer, $250, $275, sometimes $300. Because here in Seattle, we don't have too many people that have these. Actually, we don't have anybody that I know of that has Princess of Wales, so I may consider $300. You don't noisy. Oh, be quiet. I'll keep you warm. If you cover them up and pretend you're like the mommy and you keep them covered, they stop. Oh. Let me put your little animal on you. I know it's not warm as my hand. So spoiled, isn't he? Alright, if you guys have any questions or comments, don't forget to rate the video, please. And don't forget to subscribe, because I have more videos coming. And if you have any questions on any updates, I may do a video on just updates. So that means that if you have any questions about updating, it'll be easier for me to remember what video to go to, and I'll put some kind of a subject on there that's related to anyone has questions on updates or any animals that you want me to do any updates on. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, it's me, Charlie. Today is March 13, 2012, and guess who's on the floor? It's a little male Princess of Wales parrot. What are you doing? What you doing? I wonder why it looks blurry on this camera. Let's see, that doesn't help. And that definitely doesn't help. Beep, 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 beep. Come here, little guy. Come here. What are you doing? Come here. Come here, you. Come here. There's the baby. Here comes the baby. Come here, little baby. Come on. Come here. Come here. There he comes. You gonna look into the camera? You're so cute. Will. Will. You hungry again? You're silly. You're getting so big. Don't fall. You're about to fall down. Look at that gross face. Ew. You got tri-formula everywhere. Your nails are sharp. When they're little like this, their nails are very sharp. And I wouldn't recommend clipping them at this stage. You can just teach them to perch up like this, and then eventually you can get one of those stones that have the combination of like calcium and minerals, and to help keep their feet soft and their nails trimmed. And that works fine. You wouldn't have to clip your bird's wings. I mean your bird's nails all the time. Look at you. Hi, muñeca. You come to visit? Huh? Yeah, I know. Meow. Meow. I know. This is muñeca. I've had my cat since I was about 13 years old. And now she is grown up. So I've had her for this year in August. It'll be 19 years. I believe that's her birthday in August. She'll be 19. Whee, this tickles. My little birdie is trying to climb up me. Silly Bill. I hope you're a little boy. I want a baby boy. My parrot in the background is going, "Aww." He always does that when he sees baby parrots. Or anything baby. You hear him calling? Hi, Gussie. Ouch. There's Olivia. That wasn't my cat meowing, that was the parrot. What are you doing? You're the baby. Trying to get that foot. Alright, let me zoom in. Olivia. He can't fly right now. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. It's just an update. Don't look at the baby. Did you see him run up to the dog? Uh-oh. He's getting hyper. He might flap his wings and want to fly. This is his first time walking around, trying to discover everything. Look who decided to perch. And then I caught him eating sunflower seed that was already shelled, because I don't think he shelled it. And I think he was playing with his toys because they're kind of scattered. And there's his Teddy Bear. Oops. Look at you, you got formula all over your face. I can't believe he's sitting up there perching. I'm glad, because that'll keep his nails trim. This is just a little carrier that I keep him in since he's still a baby. He can't fly. But he's learning to use his beak to grab onto these little bars. And look at him perch really quickly on that. Ooh, you jump. He's such a cute little baby. He wants to be close by. Oh, you're gonna make a sweet little baby, aren't you? Yeah. You're so cute. Look at that little face. Look at that formula. I'm trying to see if Mommy and Daddy will breed again, so that way they can give me some more babies. But I hope this is a boy. I'm gonna have to have him sexed by sending in some feathers. I think there's a website that you go to. Either that, I'm gonna have to Google it because I don't really remember it. But you Google this website that has a way of sending in feathers. You send 5 feathers in. They test them, and then they'll let you know if it's a male or female. Hey, you grabbed a little. And then they send you a certificate letting you know that your bird is male or female. And if there's a band, they'll connect it to the band number. But I didn't band this little guy. I didn't purchase any bands. I really should get into that and purchase some bands because it really helps keep the age of the bird for the rest of its life. That's another reason why you want to band your birds. Because you can put the year on there, the state, and your initials. He's so cute. Alright, just a quick update.